In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect your iPhone to a TV using screencasting. Let's begin. Before we dive into the details, it's important to note that this feature is particularly handy when watching videos on YouTube. Now, let's proceed. Launch the YouTube app on your iPhone and select the video you'd like to watch on your TV. While watching the YouTube video, you'll notice a menu in the top right corner containing options like autoplay, screencast, subtitles, and settings. Click on the screencast option and a pop-up menu will appear at the bottom. In the Select a Device pop-up, you can choose between AirPlay and Bluetooth devices or select Link with TV Code. Tap on Link with TV Code and you'll see a blue empty box where you'll need to enter the code. To obtain a TV code, open the YouTube app on your TV device and navigate to Settings. Scroll down to Link with TV Code and you'll find a blue TV code displayed on your TV screen. Simply enter this code on your iPhone. Voila! Your iPhone is now successfully connected to your TV. This video is sure to guide you through the process of wirelessly connecting your iPhone to your TV. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and check out one of these specially curated videos just for you.